a world where dreams of becoming a millionaire don't just remain dreams. Today, we're diving headfirst into the realm of financial freedom, wealth accumulation, and the coveted millionaire lifestyle. It's a world where passive income flows like a river, where investment strategies are the keys to the kingdom, and where financial discipline reigns supreme. It's a world that's just a decision away, a decision to step out of the comfort zone, to take calculated risks, and to embrace a mindset of growth and prosperity. This is a world where dreams are not just wishful thinking, but achievable goals. A world where becoming a millionaire isn't a far-fetched fantasy, but a tangible reality. So, are you ready to embark on this journey to the Millionaires Club? The road may be winding, but the destination is worth every twist and turn. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Wealth begins in the mind, so let's understand the millionaire mindset. Now, when we say millionaire mindset, we're not just talking about dreaming of swimming in piles of cash like Scrooge McDuck. No, it's more than just wishful thinking. It's about cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset. You see, millionaires don't view the world through a lens of scarcity, but of abundance. They don't see obstacles, they see opportunities. And they don't fear failure, they learn from it. Remember the time when Thomas Edison said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That's the millionaire mindset. But here's the kicker. It's not just about thinking positive, it's about acting on it. Millionaires are action takers. They don't wait for opportunities to fall into their lap. Instead, they go out and create them. Think of it like this. You don't become a millionaire by sitting on your couch watching reality TV, unless of course you've invented a revolutionary new type of couch, or reality TV. Moreover, millionaires understand the power of patience and persistence. They know that Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. It's like planting a tree. You don't just plant a seed and expect a fully grown tree the next day. You have to water it, nurture it, and give it time to grow. Lastly, millionaires value continuous learning and improvement. They know that the key to success is to keep growing and adapting. Just like a shark that has to keep moving to stay alive, millionaires know they have to keep learning to stay ahead. So, they read books, attend seminars, and constantly seek new knowledge. Thus, a millionaire mindset is not just about thinking rich, but also about acting rich. It's about seeing the world as a playground of opportunities and having the courage to go out and play. Now, isn't that something to aspire to? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now that we've set our minds right, let's talk about the habits that can set you on the path to becoming a millionaire. Firstly, millionaires are diligent savers. They understand that every penny counts and that accumulating wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. They set aside a portion of their income consistently, no matter how small it might seem. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Secondly, millionaires are savvy investors. They know that their money needs to work for them, not the other way around. They invest in stocks, real estate, businesses, or anything that has the potential to increase in value over time. Remember, the goal is not to get rich quick, but to grow wealth steadily. Next, millionaires are lifelong learners. They recognize that knowledge is power, and they never stop learning. They read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and surround themselves with people who can teach them something new. They understand that their greatest investment is in their mind. Another key habit is that millionaires are persistent. They don't let failure deter them. Instead, they view it as a stepping stone to success. They understand that success is not a straight line but a winding road filled with bumps and detours. When faced with challenges, they don't give up. They dust themselves off and try again. Lastly, millionaires prioritize their time wisely. They understand that time is their most precious resource. They focus on tasks that align with their goals and delegate or eliminate activities that don't. They know the value of work-life balance and ensure they make time for rest and rejuvenation. In essence, becoming a millionaire is not just about the money. It's about adopting the right habits that lead to wealth accumulation over time. It's about being consistent, patient, and resilient. It's about understanding that wealth is not an event, but a process. And it's the daily decisions, no matter how small, that shape our financial future. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a millionaire's fortune. Hit the like button if you agree. With the right mindset and habits, we now need a strategy. Let's talk about the controversial financial advice that can make you rich. If you've ever heard the saying, no risk, no reward, you'll understand our first controversial financial strategy: aggressive investing. It's like jumping into the deep end of the financial world. You might be thinking, isn't that a bit risky? Well, yes, it is. But remember, higher risk often comes with higher returns. However, this doesn't mean throwing your money blindly into any venture. It means making well-researched, calculated decisions and being ready to face the consequences, good or bad. Now, let's move on to our second strategy, taking calculated risks. I know, we just talked about risks, but this is a slightly different shade of it. It's about venturing into areas others might shy away from. Say, investing in a struggling business with potential or jumping into a volatile market when everyone else is rushing out. It's like being the lone wolf in a sheep's world. Scary? Maybe. Profitable? Potentially, very much so. Finally, we have diversification. But wait, you might say, isn't that just common sense? Well, yes and no. While it's true that spreading your investments can help protect you from losses, the controversial part comes in when you start diversifying across different asset classes, industries, and even countries. It's like building a financial buffet, where, even if one dish goes bad, you still have plenty of others to enjoy. Remember, these strategies aren't for the faint-hearted. They require courage, knowledge, and an appetite for risk. And while they might raise a few eyebrows, they also have the potential to raise a few bank balances. So, are you ready to take the risk? Don't forget to share this video with your fellow future millionaires. Becoming a millionaire is a journey, not a destination. Let's discuss the ups and downs of this journey. Embarking on this journey, you'll encounter rough terrain, steep climbs, and sudden drops. These challenges are not detriments, rather they are a part of the process. On this path, you'll face financial hurdles, time constraints, self-doubt, and even the skepticism of those around you. But it's important to remember, these are not roadblocks, but speed bumps. They slow you down momentarily, but they don't prevent you from moving forward. One of the most common pitfalls is the temptation of quick riches. It's easy to be lured by the promise of fast money. But remember, wealth that comes quickly can disappear just as rapidly. The key to sustained wealth is patience and consistent growth. Now, let's talk about failure. It's a word that carries a lot of weight. But every millionaire will tell you that failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone, it's a teacher, a guide. It's the universe telling you to try a different route. From Thomas Edison to Walt Disney, many of the world's most successful people have faced colossal failures. But they didn't give up. They learned, they adapted, they grew. Another challenge you may face is the fear of taking risks. But let me tell you, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Millionaires know that calculated risks often lead to the greatest rewards. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. So how do you overcome these challenges? The answer is simple: resilience, education, and a growth mindset. Be resilient in the face of adversity. Educate yourself continually to make informed decisions, and maintain a growth mindset that embraces challenges as opportunities for learning. Remember, every millionaire has a story of failures and setbacks. It's the journey that makes the destination worthwhile. No matter how many detours you take, how many times you stumble, it's the lessons learned, the growth experienced, and the resilience built that truly define your millionaire journey. We've talked about mindset, habits, strategy, and journey. Now it's time to take action. We've journeyed together through the land of dreams, explored the terrain of the millionaire mindset, and uncovered the habits that lead to wealth. We've mapped out a strategy that's not just about making money, but about building a legacy. Remember, becoming a millionaire isn't an overnight success story. It's a journey that requires persistence, resilience, and a pinch of audacity. It's about embracing the millionaire mindset, cultivating productive habits, and implementing a solid strategy. So, what's your next move? Will you let your dreams gather dust, or will you seize the opportunity to turn those dreams into reality? The first step towards becoming a millionaire begins now. It's time to write your own success story. So, are you ready to write your millionaire story? Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and here's to your future wealth.